Have you ever pondered the actual shape of our home planet, Earth? Many of us were taught from a young age that Earth is a perfect sphere, but is it though? Or could it be flat, as some passionately argue? Or is there yet another shape that the Earth could be? There are a myriad of misconceptions about the Earth's shape. One of the most prevalent is the idea that Earth is flat. This theory has been around since ancient times, and despite the overwhelming scientific evidence to the contrary, it still holds a place in modern discourse. But let's dissect this belief. The idea of a flat Earth suggests that we live on a flat disk, with the North Pole at the center and a massive wall of ice, also known as Antarctica, surrounding the edges. This theory, however, falls apart when we consider the phenomenon of a lunar eclipse. When the Earth casts its shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse, the shadow is round, not flat. This circular shadow is consistent with the shape of a sphere, not a flat disk. Another common misconception is that the Earth is a perfect sphere. This too is not entirely accurate. Due to its rotation, the Earth is an oblate spheroid, which means it's slightly flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. If the Earth were a perfect sphere, then all points on its surface should be equidistant from the center, which is not the case. There's also an intriguing theory that suggests Earth might be in a crater. This concept, while fascinating, lacks substantial scientific backing. The forces required to create a crater of such magnitude are beyond comprehension, and there's no evidence to support such a cataclysmic event. In summary, the Earth is not flat, nor is it a perfect sphere, and it's certainly not in a crater. Its true shape, an oblate spheroid, is a result of its rotation. This shape is confirmed by various forms of scientific evidence, including satellite imagery and lunar eclipses. Don't take these words at face value. Always question, always research, and always seek the truth. Remember, knowledge doesn't just land in your lap. You have to juggle it, scrutinize it, and question it until it balances. Even then, it's good practice to keep an open mind, because our understanding of the world is constantly evolving. So the next time you gaze up at the sky or down at the ground, remember that you're standing on a slightly squashed sphere, spinning in the vastness of space. And that's our beautiful, mysterious, and fascinating Earth.